Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Road Safety Rules. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So, my dear students, today we are going to continue and complete reading and understanding of this unit. And before this, in your English for grade 1, you have learned to predict the text by looking at the pictures. And yesterday we practiced to use textbook pictures to aid comprehension and development of vocabulary. Today we are going to do the same SLO. This is our SLO for today. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 151, we have sent among you a messenger, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, from yourselves, reciting to you our verses and purifying you and teaching you the book and wisdom and teaching you that which you did not know. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, because I told you yesterday, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us Quran, and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's sunnah is the guideline to us. So whatever we want to learn, we should learn it from Quran and from the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And better, you see, what you did not know. So there are many things we don't know. We need to learn that. Okay. So one of the things we are learning, yesterday we did a part of that, and today we'll continue learning that, how to be safe on the road, right? So before we start, we continue reading, you tell me, do you remember which traffic light we have discussed yesterday? So out of 3, we just talked about 1 traffic light. Do you remember what was that? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, I hope you remember it was red light. Good. So what does red light want us? It means to stop. All of you open your book on page number 64, and this is the point I'm going to start reading. Listen carefully, because after me you have to read it. Kiran, I know what the red signal means. It means to stop. What does the yellow signal mean? This yellow one, what does it mean? Hamad, yellow signal means get ready to go. This signal tells you be ready. And Kiran, what does green signal mean? Hamad, this green one, what does it say to you? Green signal means you can go. It's time for you. You can go now. So now, what did you know about zebra crossing? Have you seen this zebra crossing on road? This is called, beta, this is zebra crossing. This picture of zebra crossing is there in your book as well. So look at the picture and tell to your teacher, what did you know about zebra crossing? Pause the video, answer the question, and then come back. Yes, I hope you have answered correctly that zebra crossing tells you this is the place where you can cross the road. Okay, so let's see, what does your book say about it? Kiran, what does zebra crossing mean? Hamad, zebra crossing is the space we use to cross the road. Means if you are on the road and you want to cross the road, this is the point. You cannot cross the road from here. That's wrong. This is the point. This zebra crossing is for people to cross the road. And when do we cross the road? When this traffic signal is red. It means the traffic on the road will stop and you can cross the road. Okay, this is the road safety rule, that whenever you want to cross the road, you should cross it from zebra crossing when the traffic signal is red. Okay, all right. Kiran, how can we control the accident? Hamad, if we follow the road safety rules, there will be less accidents. And what does safety means? Protecting. But whatever the rules are for the protection or to keep us safe, we should follow those rules. Kiran. Thank you, brother. Hamad. You are welcome. So you see, beta, this is how we learn from our elders as well. And another thing, wherever we are, we should look around the things and we should learn from the things. So I'm stopping all the text. We have read it. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, read the text, enjoy looking at the picture, understand the text by looking at the pictures, and when you are done with this activity, kindly come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with the reading? Okay, so it's time for comprehension. 3 questions we did yesterday, so today we'll do these 2 parts. The text we read it. So you will first answer these questions to your teacher orally, and after that you will write these answers in your notebook. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. Do the project on page number 69. This project has been given to you in your book. So you will complete it and present it in your class. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to use textbook pictures to aid comprehension and development of vocabulary. So we achieved our SLO, use textbook pictures to aid comprehension and development of vocabulary. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.